As you know, every Sunday we are going to conduct one science activity. So today one more time we are going to conduct science activity, and this activity is related to two gases. The first one is oxygen gas which supports burning, and the second one is CO2 gas which is also called extinguisher or which stops the burning of things. So how to prove this? So today we are going to prove with the help of an activity. So this is one activity. By this activity, you are going to learn how the CO2 gas extinguish the flame of a candle. So for this activity, what kinds of materials are required? So as you can see here, the materials are required like two transparent glasses and candle. Already candle is there which I fixed into the glass. Okay students, see here, while fixing the candle into the glass, see students, sometimes you may get the burn or sometimes your skin may burn, so you take precaution. How to fix the candle, that I will show you. Do you know potato? You can make the slices of potato in this way, and just at the center you can make small hole, and then you can fix your candle into that hole, and then that potato slice with candle you can place into the glass. So this way you can see here students, this way you can fix the two candles into the glass. Okay, so you will not get any kind of burn. Is it clear students? Now what to do? Now see here, now first you fix both the candles into the glass and then pour water. So you have to pour half an glass water in both the glasses. So I am pouring water into the glass. Just below the flame of a candle. See students, half an glass you have to pour the water in both the glasses. While pouring water, take care your candle should not fall down. Okay, slowly you can add the water in both the glasses. After adding water, see here, this is the level of water in both the glasses students. See, as you can see. So this way you can add the water, and then take a matchstick. Especially lower class students, you can take help of your parents or brother and sister. Okay, now see students, with the help of matchstick you can light the candle. So see, I am going to light the candle students. Sorry, see, this is why you need the parents in front of you. So take care students. Okay, you can ask to your parents. Okay, sit with me and you can perform the activity. So always, whatever smallest children are there, you can take care. Always you can perform the activity in front of your parents, or you can take the help of your parents. Now see, I am going to light the candle. See students, both the candles are in water. Okay, and you, as you can see, the both the candles are burning normally. Is it, see? Can you see students? Once you can see both the candles flame. Okay, as you can see, the both the candles are burning properly without any difficulty. Okay, now see why these both the candles are burning, because there is a oxygen gas into the glass above the surface of water. So that's why both the candles are burning, as they get the oxygen gas which supports the burning. Now see students, there is ENO powder. Do you know this ENO? It is available in the medical shop. You can go and buy one ENO powder. Okay, or you can just tell to your parents, they will bring for you. Now see, this ENO powder I am going to mix in water. I am going to add in water. So after mixing, what will happen students? After mixing this CO2 in water, suddenly the bubble starts to come out, and these bubbles means that is the CO2 gas. So because of CO2 gas, the flame automatically stops the burning, because CO2 stops the burning. Okay, now see here students, I'm going to add the CO2. So I'm going to add the ENO powder. As you can see, candle stop the burning. See students, due to the bubbles, see, as you can see, After adding this ENO powder into the water, suddenly the bubbles starts coming out, and these bubbles contain CO2 gas, and that CO2 gas stops the burning of a candle. So this is the simple activity. See now, in this glass still the candle is burning, but in second glass after adding ENO, the candle stop its burning due to the effect of CO2 gas. It means that from this activity we can learn one thing, that CO2 gas is also called as extinguisher. Okay, extinguisher means which stops the burning. Okay, and second thing, you can, as you can see, the oxygen gas supports the burning. Okay, so this is the one simple activity. I hope you will enjoy this activity at home. So today we will stop here.